Muscle Car Challenge at Extreme Raceway Park. We've run that Vette before. See how we can do.
King, go ahead and make your way to the station. King to station. Pro, you're on standby.
144 and 88. 144 engine ice is definitely keeping us cool today. Went at 8:52 earlier. See if we can do better. So it'd be like a $8.55. I'll take it. An 8.52 and an 8.55. All right, see what we got here. Probably a 198, 60 foot. Thank you. 197 with an 860 foot. 104 on the reaction, went at 855 with the 9 at 82.19. All right, let's see what we can do on the next round. So we're 300ths between our two time trials. I think we're going to be closer to that 855 or 854 today. So see what we do, what track conditions do. We'll take a snapshot of temperature and humidity here in a second. So Ted's going to be coming up here momentarily in Little Boy Blue for the second round, so we'll see how he does. See if we can catch him here in a minute.